The DJI Mavic 2 series is coming to a close as DJI has finally made the decision to stop production of the drone. Let's get into it. Before we get into it, I just want to tell you guys real quick about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that'll help you grow your YouTube channel quickly. It's what I've been using to grow this YouTube channel. So definitely check out my link in the description below to learn more. So the DJI Mavic 2 series, which has been incredibly popular and by far one of my favorite drones to own, is coming to an end. DJI is officially ending the production line and they're getting ready to start production of the Mavic 3. It has been a very long time since the Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom came out. It's been almost like 3 years, I'm pretty sure. If not, it has been 3 years. So it's been a very long time and the drones are definitely due for a refresh. It's just sad to see this day come because the Mavic 2 has been my favorite DJI drone to own. All good things come to an end and better things are to come with the Mavic 3, so that is very exciting. We're actually seeing the DJI Mavic 2 Zoom be discounted already in China, and I assume that we're gonna see these discounts come here to the United States with both the Pro and Zoom models as we get closer to the release of the Mavic 3. But it's still gonna be a couple months before we actually see the Mavic 3, and I assume that DJI has plenty of stock when it comes to the Mavic 2 series. So if you wanna pick one of those drones up, now would be a good time to do that because soon you won't be able to buy them anymore. Some of you may be wondering, why am I recommending people to go pick up the Mavic 2 series when I know that the 3 is around the corner? Well, it's because the Mavic 2 series is still a very, very great drone, and it's going to be a great drone for a long time, even beyond the release of the Mavic 3. It's been a solid drone for me for about 2 years now, and honestly, I wouldn't want to use anything else other than the new Mavic 3 that's coming out for my client projects and also my YouTube channel. I absolutely love flying the Mavic 2. It's been the best drone to fly. I love the way it maneuvers, the way that the gimbal works to get those cinematic smooth shots. I really have not flown a better drone, and it is gonna be sad to say goodbye and to put this drone away for good once the Mavic 3 comes out. For me personally, it'll probably be a little bit of a slower transition. What I'll probably do is I'll buy the Mavic 3 when it comes out, just the standard kit with the 1 battery, and then slowly over time accumulate batteries for the Mavic 3 and shift over to that drone and use that as my daily drone for my client jobs. But as far as the Mavic 2, there will be a point where I completely phase it out and I no longer use it for my business, which is really sad to think. I've shot so many incredible projects, hundreds of projects with the Mavic 2 Pro, and it has just been one of my favorite drones to use. I know I've said that like 1,000 times. As soon as its end of life actually does come, I'm gonna do a whole video recapping a bunch of things that I've captured with the Mavic 2 Pro, going over its history and saying goodbye to the drone for good. But for now, I wanted to make a video letting you guys know that production is coming to a halt. There was no exact date. We do know that it's happening most likely this month and very soon. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed today's video and want to see more drone news, definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you don't miss anything. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way it ranks higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you in the next one.